Bismillahir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the special merciful. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim. Allah knows these words' meaning. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. Quran, this is the book of Allah. There is no doubt in it. It is guidance to God-fearing people. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون. Muslim or Mu'min are those who believe in the unseen, establish prayer and spend out of what we have provided for them. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِن قَبْلِكَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. And who believe in what has been revealed to you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and what was revealed before you, and of the hereafter they are certain in faith. أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. Such people are on the right way from their Lord, and such are truly successful. Sadaqallahul Azim.